Hey everybody. It is a continued muddy mess. Ground froze last night and it's thawing back out now. We're gonna get up close to 40 today, I think, or maybe even up in the 40s. And then by tomorrow we're gonna be back down in the teens with wind chills, or I mean teens regular temperatures, not counting the wind chill. And then tomorrow night it's supposed to get down in single digits, wind chills below 0. So everything's gonna freeze back, and then it's gonna warm back up this coming week. It's gonna thaw out and be a mud hole again for a while. So I wanna run over and work on that driveway here in a minute one last time. I told him I'd come back. When I went and hit it with the John Deere in one of the videos recently, I just kind of volunteered that one, but I want to go back and hit it again good with the box blade and put a little gravel on it if it needs it, and then it'll be what it'll be. And then have to let me know if they want it done again later, but it's rutted back out bad. I don't know why it's tearing up so bad, if it's the driving or the vehicles or what, because it should stay better than it is. And kind of one of them deals, if they get a little spun out place, if anybody could, you know, rake it back in with a rake before it got too bad, because once you get one place spun out, then it's going to spin. It just kind of continues when you start jumping and stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna go dress it up this one time, and we'll see what happens to it from there on. But unless they all have four-wheel drive, and I'd say I don't know if any of the delivery trucks goes up in there or not, but stuff like that probably would spin it out. It's just steep. It's steep, that's the problem. I'm gonna run out the fire station and fix the spot. Some contractors changing fire poles out, parked in there and rutted it up. And I'm gonna dress that back up. I burned quite a bit of wood. I had a wood rack here, burned it all the way out. Burnt a quarter of that one, and then been burning on that pile back in there. I'm trying to save what's under the shed for later in the winter, if we want to get a bigger snow or something, to where it's will be dry. And then I've still got a stack inside there I can burn out of if need be. But I'm wanting to kind of get all that wood cleaned up. I may be, depending on the weather, this winter sort of iffy on having enough wood cut, but I don't really want to cut any and have it right there, because I'm wanting to get all that moved and possibly build a little wood shed back there this year. But we'll go fix them little spots, and I'll try to video. Getting pretty bumpy right up through here again. it off. We'll head out to the fire station now. Sometimes if you switch your range and your gears and your power reverser in the wrong sequence, this thing will yell at you. That's what that beeping is anytime you ever hear it in the videos. Part of our problem here is this, we don't have no guttering right now, and it makes this ground soft on this side, and the sun never hits over here. So if somebody backs in here with a big truck, like in bucket trucks and things they was using, it kind of ruts it out. And my fear about putting guttering on the building is the ice and snow turn them off. So if anybody has any good suggestions on a guttering and something, trouble if you put ice breaks up there, I worry about them ripping out and causing a leak. I don't know. If there's something out there that's good for that on metal roofs and a good heavy duty guttering, and you know anybody local to the Dixon Wise County area in Virginia that does that stuff, let me know. So we need to probably get something done. But I didn't want them ruts holding water, so trying to get it smooth back up to where it will drain off some. Hey everybody, it is currently 15 degrees with a feel-like temperature of 2, which is awesome. Very pleasant out right now. The wind is rough. If it wasn't so windy, it probably wouldn't be so bad. I ain't got a shirt pocket today, and I'm lost to death without a shirt pocket. But I think what we're going to do is go out here and get you a little cold start video with a black bus, mechanical DT466. Those engines don't have they don't have any glow plugs or grid heaters or anything. It's just straight up starting, and you can tell everything's froze. Surprised there's not any ice on the pond. They probably will be in the morning. It's supposed to be single digits after a while. But it's chilly. This wind is something else. So, I'll see if this little thing will start up. Just for the fun of it. Don't need it. But snowplow coming out through here. That's probably Joey, I'd say. Road was solid ice this morning. Holy moly, look at that. I don't even know if the door will open. Barely. I don't know where would be the best place to set y'all up at. Back at the exhaust pipe or up here somewhere. Wished I'd had 2 cameras with me. I guess I'll set you back here. It may not even crank. I don't know. It didn't particularly favor it, but it wasn't that hard to start either. That is. Big stuff. We'll let it warm up, run a little bit and charge the batteries back up. Whew. It'll be easy to get frostbite out here today. If you's out too long with exposed digits. Tell you what, it's a big change today from yesterday. It wasn't too bad when I was over fixing them driveways and out at the station and stuff, but it is cold. I dread it tonight and in the morning because it's just gonna keep dropping. But anyways, appreciate y'all watching. If you will, please like, subscribe, and comment, and we will talk to you later. Have a good one.